Today we're going to show you how to light up a hedge with mini lights. Now, number one rule, as always, use pro-grade Christmas lights. Don't buy the retail stuff. Number two on this, don't use light nets. Yes, we sell lots of light nets, but we really don't recommend it for pro level lighting, even for your home. A lot of people do use that. It's a 4-foot by 6-foot net, but you get a very uniform look rather than that sporadic look like the lights just fell randomly over your hedge. So stay away from the light nets. Let's go with a hand lit stringer set, and it's going to give you that professional look. All right, let's get started. All right, today we're going to be using a 5mm wide angle conical. That is our preferred light set for hedge lighting. However, there's a lot of other lights, M5, C6, C7, C9, even our new Pentagon gem lights. They all work fantastic for hedge and foliage lighting, but we are going to be using a 5mm conical. All right, to get started, we start with our MEL plug, and we start running the lights up and down in a U-shaped pattern. We're using a 4-inch spacing set, so we're going to put about 4 inches between the up and down runs we're doing, and that's going to keep us a nice, even, random look throughout the hedge. All right, we're on to our second set. We're going to continue going up and down. Now, before you get started on any of this, you do want to make sure your hedges are trimmed up nice. The light's going to be in there for a while, so it's best to trim off, square it up as much as possible so you're not having to take the lights off in the middle of the season and trim it. We continue going up and down, working our way throughout the hedge. All right, we're getting to the end of the hedge. Sometimes you might have to redo that last set to get it to come out just right. With a little practice, it does get easier. Now, as you're going, it may seem like you're making a pattern design, but you're gonna be surprised when you see it at night. It's dark, it is going to look completely random, which is exactly what you want to achieve. And then we make our way all the way to the end. Right now we're on a small shrub. We're going to put a single light set in this. We're going to just basically do a random pattern up and down, around. Not really any specific rules on this. You just want to get a nice light on it. I went up first, go around the base, wrap it, and go up and down. Again, you're just wanting to make sure it looks like the lights fell from the sky. All right, we're on our last few feet of our final hedge. Continue the same technique we've been using. And then we're ready to get everything wired up. As you can see, it is an easy installation. You really just don't want to think too far into it and just keep it random. And then at night, you'll go back out and tweak it just a little bit for that final touch. All right, we're ready to put our male and our female on. All right, we've got our male and our female in place. Next, we need females for our small shrubs. This is where the inline female magic really comes in. You can put a female anywhere in the line and plug those hedges into it. All right, for an inline female, all we need to do is break the tab on the back. That's going to turn it from an end of the line female to an inline. If you don't have the tab, you can just cut a slot with your diagonal cutters. From there, everything is the same as a regular end of the run female. All right, ready to plug our lights into our timer. We're using a smart timer today. And plug the timer into the outlet and power up the lights. That wraps up hedge lighting for today. Remember, buy pro grade, don't use light nets, and you're gonna be all set. Be sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up, and leave us questions and comments. We love getting those. Until next time, keep on lighting.